Hello everyone, it's Adam here. I have some bad news, and don't worry, everything is going to be okay. It is the 24th of January. We're in the basement. We're getting ready to paint the rear bracket for the back seat black after I paint down these bits here. But the bike's looking good. Just needs to be cleaned up. It's a full detailing, but it's so dusty down here. I didn't want to waste a lot of time with that. There's a lot of paint projects to do. I want to paint, this. I want to get this plaster dipped. I want to paint these guys for the advanced guards. I'm thinking about expanding the powder coating project to include these bits here. And anyway, lots of great stuff going on with the bike. And I wanted to take a second to talk to you guys about some bad news that I have. So as I said, the 24th of January, and we hit a low period, which is I've run out of modifications. There's a couple of big ones coming up. You know, the $500 I'm spending on getting all this parts that are missing powder coated, and that'll go on the bike in a couple of weeks. But it's about 3 weeks away, I guess, from that being done. So a bit of time for you to see that. And though that's a major operation, and then I've been in touch with the Twisted Throttle guys that make Denali LED lights, the sound bomb, the brake lights, about getting visiting them in Rhode Island in March and doing their install in the shop, and paying them for that, but filming the process of how they install it on a GS Adventure and documenting that for you guys. But that's it. Those are the two big projects left on the bike. Oh, that and changing the tires over to the TKC 80s, which are right here. But all this is going to happen, I have between now and basically March 30th to get that done before the riding season truly starts here in New Hampshire. So here I am talking to you all with a plea that if you are making GS accessories, modifications, Farkles, whatever you want to call them, dual sport accessories that work with the 2017 GS Adventure, and you're testing them, you're doing pilots, demos, beta versions of your hardware, please keep me in mind. I do a lot of programs with Volkswagen companies, and I'll switch this around so you guys can see me, although I haven't shaved and trimmed the beard in a while. There we go. I do a lot of programs with companies that do Volkswagen and Golf GTI modifications, and I'm kind of extending the same program to the GS as well. And while I haven't really emailed any companies for any reason, I'm kind of throwing it out there. If you find this video and you're working on something cool, even if it's a $5 widget, I'm happy to take it, give you a credit card number, and then mail it back to you in a week or two. I'm not looking to get free stuff. I'm looking to test stuff in order to share this cool stuff with people that watch these videos. I think that I have a unique situation here. I've done 65 unique BMW GS related modification videos in the last 4 months. About 120 unique Volkswagen Golf videos, and these allow me the extra revenue to buy new camera gear and go on cool trips on the bike once the snow melts outside, which I'll show you guys right now. So I have this opportunity to do that for you if you're a hardware company that's making widgets, 3D printed, CNC, whatever you have going on. Let me know, because I do want to try your stuff out. If you want it videotaped, or if not, that's fine. I'll still, send it back to you. But it's some free marketing, some free install video for your efforts, and then I get to try stuff out and have fun with it and make videos for all of you. We just got a ton of ice, like a huge ice storm going on here. Look at this nonsense we have. I've dug this little hole here to get we had a huge puddle of snow here, and the Golf R is covered in ice. So just brutal out there. It's amazing. We've had some really warm weather the past couple days, but the solar array is covered with ice, and the house is covered with ice. So anyway, that's all for now. So a warning to all you that watch my YouTube videos: no content this week. I did get in a free OBD2 scanner that works with the Volkswagen Golf, and I'll do a video review of that. It's a free unit. I'm going to review it and mail it back to them, so that whole deal. But other than that, I've got nothing this week planned for you guys to share, and nothing next week, nothing the week after. So I'm thinking to myself, maybe there are people out there that have cool stuff that they want me to install on the bike, and I'm happy to do it. And I'll leave you with last view. So February 13th, I get the powder coated bits back from the machine shop, so I'll install that. Hopefully Twisted Throttle can fit me in sometime in March to get all their LED stuff installed. The new D4s will be mounted right under here, and the D2s down the lower forks. The sound bob underneath to replace the BMW 5 Series horn that I installed. There is a video of that. And then their Hex smart can system along with their strobing brake lights. The Jesse bags come back from powder coating. I'll get those guys mounted. The Moscomoto stuff is obviously here. I did a video on that. So things are, great. It's just not as much happening as there was initially, that's how it works in modifications. You hit your end of your modification pipeline. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for now. So I'm sorry, those of you that aren't seeing a lot of videos over the next couple of weeks, that's why. And I hope you understand, and I'm sorry, but that's the situation. So thanks so much for watching. All you guys that are already on taking your bikes out of storage and riding, I'm really jealous. Hope you guys have a safe and good new year, and keep up riding the bikes, and if you do drop it, make sure you have crash bars. All right, dudes, take care, have a nice week, and rock on.